Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you how to install Google Drive File Stream. This is a way to have the Google Drive save its files and sync up files with a folder on your Windows computer instead of just having to use a web browser to access Google Drive. It's a much better way for us to move stuff around. More importantly, it's how I'm going to be deploying MK to certain people, or to everybody for that matter. So what you have to do is open up a web browser and go to https /dl.google.com/drive file stream /Google Drive file stream.exe. Now, before you have to worry about typing this in, check the description in this video. There should be a link as well just below the video, so that'll help save you a minute. So click that. Now, I cheated and I've already downloaded this file once, so we'll just open the version I've already saved. Otherwise, it takes a minute to run. So now it's installing. And we'll pause while it runs. Now the installer's running, so I'm going to add an application shortcut to your desktop, leave this one here, and hit install. And it's chugging along. So we'll pause this again. So it's finished installing, and now you want to log in. And this is going to be the same login that you use for your Rental Kharma email. Enter, and then wait, and type that in. Close, loading your files. Now here it's what it's actually doing is it's pulling all of the stuff down from my Google Drive account. You'll want to enable this extension when it pops up. It's going to give you a little tour. I'll just zip right through these, but you might want to take a look when you get a chance. Click on the Open Google Drive folder. Now here's where it gets cool. On your computer now, you click this PC, you have your own drive and then some other stuff, and then Google Drive file stream, and it's a G drive. And what's going on is there's it looks like an actual separate hard drive on your computer. There's my drive, and then here's all the stuff in there. So when I'm deploying MK to you, there's going to be a folder called MK deploy, and that is actually going to have the version of MK in it. You don't need a shortcut on your desktop anymore or any of that stuff. It's just going to be right in there. Cool trick also, you can see if it's running is if you click this little hidden thing. Where is it? Right there, this little Google logo, and that'll show that it's up. So if this is broken or anything, they'll have an exclamation point. You can click on it and see what the problem is. So anyway, that's how to get started. You can install this on other people's machines, and from there we'll be able to use MK.